Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 10.1 part 1 homework for pre-calculus math today. And for today's homework lesson we got 52 points here on your homework sheet. Part 1 is analytic geometry in 3 dimensions, and 10.1 is the 3-dimensional coordinate system. Students in my classroom, name, date, period. If you're a homeschooler or onliner, put your due date here. And page 1 of our homework is fill in the blanks here. So fill in, you got questions here, fill in the blanks. Go back into your notes, into your classwork. These will be easily discovered. You got 6 points here, page 1. And then page 2, we got questions here. What do H, K, and J and R represent here? And put that here. Same thing here, number 8. Fill in that. You got 8 points, page 2. And then for the following page 3, 9 through 12, approximate the coordinates of the points. So we go into here. You got points A, B, and C. So write those in here, A, B, and C. A, B, and C, put those in here. Put those points down there, a triplet. Oh, I gave it away. And then A, B, and C here. You got a triplet here, so put those into these response boxes. 12 points here, page 3. Page 4. Plot both points in the same 3-dimensional coordinate system. So you have 3, 0, 0, and then -3, -2, -1. So if you need to go down into here, soon as extend that down into here. Same thing here, A and B is 0, 4, -3. So you have to, I'm not going to give it away, but you got to drop that down. Yeah, a -3. And then B here 404. So if you have to improvise on your on these coordinate systems here, please do so, students. You got 8 points here for page 4, and then page 5, same thing here. If you have to improvise here on this on these coordinate systems, please do so for 17 and 18 here as well. If you do, you might have to do so. I think you do here. I mean, this is -2, so I'm not going to give it away. And then -2 here as well. I mean, you'll have to improvise on these starts here. So do that. Page 5, you got 8 points here. And then page 6, so we 19 here. The point is located 3 units behind the YZ plane. 3 units to the right, and blah blah blah. So find the coordinates of the point. So this is kind of like a verbal description of what the point, where the location of the point is. So follow that, and then put your triplets in here. And then for 20, the same thing here. I mean, this is a verbalization of a triplet. So write down your triplet for that. So you got 4 points here, page 6. Page 7, you have the point. It's kind of like the same thing here. You have a verbalization of a triplet. Put your triplet here, and then same thing for 22. And then for 23, determine the octants in which XYZ is located so that the conditions are satisfied. So you have a case here where which triplet is relevant here for x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and then z less than 0. So describe the octant which would contain these conditions here. So this is page 7, the 6 points here for page 7. And that is part 1 of 10.1, part 1 homework, pre-calculus math. Email me at animatedpowerpointmathvideo@aol.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.